As the name indicate, fabric filter or a bag filter, the name itself indicates the nature of the filter. Now, when we say fabric filter, it means that the fabric provides or fabric acts as a filter medium. The another synonym for this is bag filter. It means that this fabric is converted in the form of bag, and when the medium or the stream to be filtered passes through the bag, the filtration occurs. Now, first of all, I will draw a figure. Thereafter, you will be able to understand exactly what is the concept of fabric filter. So, I'll be drawing very simple figure just for the sake of your understanding. So this fabric filter, or popularly known as a bag filter, is basically an assembly where the filter bags are fixed in an inverted fashion. They are suspended from a hanger which can be shaken periodically. The number of bags varying in a length from 2 to 10 meter are suspended inside. The diameter can be between 120 mm to 80 mm, and the material of construction of this particular filter bag may be a canvas cloth or a cloth coated with some protection layer to avoid the damage due to the properties of the gas passing through, or the temperature, or some physical conditions. Now these all bags are housed into a weatherproof construction. The dust laden gas, that means gas containing suspended solids, is allowed to enter inside. Now, when it is allowed to enter inside this housing where the bags are placed in an inverted fashion, there is a solid deflector plate. Now, the objective of this deflector plate is, now because of the momentum of the gas impact with this deflector plate, and it is deflected from its direction and allowed to pass, or forced to pass in a downward direction. Now because of this, what happens? Number one, there may be impact of solids with the with the deflector, present in a gas with the deflector plates. Therefore, when the solid will strike with this deflector plate, they will lose their momentum and will fall down. Now remaining fine solids may pass along with the gas, which is diverted in a downward direction. Now either it could be gas or air, depends. Now once it come uh, out of the influence of this deflector plate, the gas has a natural tendency to move up. Now whenever it moves up, it suddenly loses the momentum. Now when it loses the momentum, that means its velocity is reduced. So some heavier particles, because of gravity force, may settle down or may fall down and will be collected in a hopper. Whereas the fine solids will enter along with the gas into filter bags. Now you must have noticed that one end of the filter bag, that is entrance of the filter bag, is open, whereas they are closed at another end. And therefore, once the gas enter inside the bag, then the solid may not passed or will be retained by this particular bag, which acts as a filter medium. Whereas through the pores of this filter medium, the gas pass through. And when the gas passes through, it becomes free of solid. Therefore, it is known as clean gas. Therefore, it is known as clean gas. Now, if you continue the filtration for a prolonged time, then it is possible that the solid cake will be deposited over the filter medium, which will offer the resistance for the filtration. So to avoid that, periodically this hanger from where the bags are suspended each shaken with the help of some mechanical arrangement. So whenever we shake this particular filter bag, so because of that impact which the filter medium this cake experiences, it gets detached from the filter medium and it drops down. There are some arrangement where from the top of this particular filter bags, a blast of high velocity gas may be passed through this, or so the blast of high velocity gas may be passed through this. So when, see, normal the path of the gas is from inside to outside. Now if you supply the high pressure gas from outside, then this gas passes at a high velocity through these bags, and because of the reverse pressure, the cake gets dislodged and it falls down and will be deposited or will be collected in a hopper from where it can be discharged out. So there may be some shaking mechanism, there may be some wrapping mechanism, or some blast of the air may be used to dislodge the cake which is deposited on the inner wall of the filter bags. So in this way, periodically the filter bags are cleaned. Now, so the basic mechanism for the separation of the solids which are present either in a gas or air is because of the filtration, number one. Number two, because of the impingement. Impingement means what? The particles will impact with the plate. When they will impact with the plate, they will lose their momentum. When they will lose their momentum because of the gravity, they will fall down. Number one. Number two, when there is a sudden change in direction, so because of the gravity, also some solids will fall down, and the remaining may be separated either because of the filtration action or because of maybe some electrostatic actions which is generated because of the rubbing of the particles inside. But mainly the mechanism of separation of the solids which are present in the gas is because of impingement, because of gravity settling, and because of filtration. So in this way, with the help of filter bag which are fixed in an inverted manner into a weatherproof housing, the gas solid separation can be carried out in a fabric filter or a bag filter. So as discussed, what is the working principle? The working principle is in bag filter or fabric filter or bag house, the solids are separated from gas by using following mechanism. Number one, impingement impact, gravity settling, so these are the four mechanisms by which the gas solid separation is carried out in a bag filter. Even though the major mechanism of the separation is filtration, but impingement, gravity settling, and intercept, these are also responsible for separation of the solids which are suspended in a gas fed to the bag filter. Now, in a construction details, bag filter consists of following important parts or section or constituents. These are as follows. Number one, weatherproof housing for accommodating the bags. Two, filter bags many in number as per the design. The filter bags are suspended in inverted manner. What does it mean? The top end is closed and lower end is open. In a simple language, like inverted test tube. In a simple language, like a inverted test tube. Third, is deflector plate fixed opposite to entrance. Fourth, entrance manifold for inlet of feed clean manifold for exit of clean gas. Fifth, hangers for suspending bags. An arrangement for proper fitting of lower end of filter bag. 7. Shaking or wrapping mechanism for facilitating the discharge of cake deposited inside the bag. 8. The collection and discharge hopper fixed to the lower end of enclosure for bags. Now these are the different parts which forms the typical bag filter or bag house. The more appropriate way to describe what we are studying is bag house. We cannot simply call it as a filter bag because there are many bags which are fixed in the single assembly so as to have the large filtration capacity. Typical dimensions of bags or filter bags. Diameter 120 to 400 mm. Length 2 to 10 meter. here 0.1 to 0.4 meter. So these are the typical dimensions of the bags which can be used. Again, these dimensions depend upon how much is the concentration of solids which are present. Now, the factor which decides the material of filter medium. The factors are: one, gas temperature; two, gas composition; three, gas flow rate; four, size, shape, and concentration of dust particles. Now, what are the materials of construction of filter medium? Cotton. Temperature up to which it can be used is 82 degrees Celsius. Wool up to 93 degrees Celsius. Nylon up to 93 degrees Celsius. Dacron up to 135 degrees Celsius. And polypropylene 93 degrees Celsius. And finally, fiber glass. This fiber glass can be used up to 290 degree Celsius. So, what is the medium to be used, or what is the material of construction of medium, depends on these four parameters: gas temperature, gas composition, gas flow rate, size, shape, and concentration. Or the material of construction depend upon the operating temperature. So depending upon the operating temperature, we can have the different material of construction. The highest possible material is up to 290 degrees Celsius, that is fiberglass. Now let us try to understand what are the advantages. One, high collection efficiency for particles smaller or smaller than 10 micron. to simple construction and operation. Third, power consumption is less. Just power required for shaking or for blowing of the gas inside the back filter. Then dry disposal of solids possible. Now, however, there are some disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? Number one, fabric maintenance. And replacement cost is high. Number one. Number two, operating limits are reduced, or say operating limits are decided by gas temperatures generally high gas temperature is not recommended or not preferred for high gas temperature. Now you must have seen the size of the bag or the length 2 to 10 meter diameters, and it's not only one bag, there are many bags which are housed in a single assembly, and therefore large size of equipment. And corrosive or dust which abrade cloth. Abrade means because of the rubbing against the cloth gets weakened. So corrosive or dust which abrades the cloth creates uh, problem while using. So for such situation, the operating cost increases because you have to have a frequent replacement of the cloth, this one, and maybe that may increase the cost of the operations. Now, the last point of the discussion is the applications. Generally used in packaging section where fine powdered like material is handled. In a current floor mills, recently back filter are installed in large floor mills also. In cement industry, vac filters are used. Foundries. Fifth, metallurgical industries. Thermal power plant for collection of fly ash before it is fed to the electrostatic separator. So in generally, in every industry where the powdered material is to be packed or to be handled or to be crushed, it is possible that that fine powder material may get dispersed into an atmosphere, and therefore to prevent the problems to the workers, deposition of the solids on the machine parts, walls and floors, the air needs to be purified in that section, and for such applications normally the back filters are preferred, or wherever very large crushing of the solids is carried out in a metallurgical industry, in a power plant, for the collection of fly ash before it is fed to the electrostatic separator. Now, electrostatic separator is the last gas solid separation device. Before that, whatever is possible is removed using various other possible options like dust settling chambers, then cyclone separators. Now, the exit of the cyclone separator at a various section can be fed to the back filter, and whatever comes out from the gas coming out from a back filter might be fed to the electrostatic separator. So it has very diverse application and very important gas solid separation device, and mainly the application of the back filter is as a pollution control device for removal of suspended particulate matter present in either air or the gas. So that's it related to the back filter or fabric filters, its working principle, construction, advantages, limitation, and typical applications.